Welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you very important something. New table gas cooker, how to couple or assemble it. How to couple or assemble it. How to couple or assemble it. Okay, let's go there. But before then, please do well to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's go to the business. If you have a new table gas cooker like this, you can look for a sharp knife or a razor, then and cut this sellotape the way I'm doing it gently. This is Tamako. This is Tamako table gas cooker. Okay, look at it. This is the black one. Stainless of that matter. A high quality cooking gas. Okay. If you open it like this, just the way I'm doing it, you can see that it's well wrapped with nylon. Then you remove the nylon and bust it. Remove everything from the carton. Just the way I'm doing it. You can see it look like skeleton. But by the time I fix everything, it will look like cooking gas. These are the parts, the components. You see? Because sometimes, if you see other things, you don't know where to place it and how to position it. Let me remove this nylon too and turn it. This is the table gas cooker with all its components. This one is the hanger. Got the second one of it. This is the hanger pan. This is the burner. The second burner. Yes. This one contains both the inner burner and its legs. You see? So on this, turn it upside down so that we can be able to fit the legs. Turn it upside down like this. Wow, that's good. You see how it looks like. Sometimes people will be thinking that it will be sealed. No, it's not sealed. Just small component that make up this. See? With your screwdriver, then screw the legs at the four edges. That is very well. I'm done with this. With the second one at the other edge. Done with it. Very well. Then put the third one. This is the other part of it. Just with your screwdriver, you can do all this. At the comfort of your home, very simple. Then the fourth one, the last but not the least, is the other egg. Okay, I think I'm done. Then I can now turn it upside down again. Wow, you can see that the table gas is not hanging. It doesn't touch the floor again. Then you can now, if you look at this thing, you might not know that this thing is two in one. So you need to split it. Then press it here. Very well. Press the other one until it's strut. Then you get the hanger. You press it. Just look at the way it is. I'm coupling it. Very simple. Then press the second one. Then this is the bigger burner. You press the bigger burner. Press the bigger now. See, you can turn around. Then press the other one on the other side of it. You see, it's now looking like a cooking gas, a table cooking gas. Then the inner burners, you fix this like this, then fix the other one like this. If you go to the carton, you see that it is exactly as the picture on the carton. Man, as simple as ABCD. Wow, Tamaku burner. Very simple. That's it. All right. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks once again for watching.